So for today's video, we got a pretty tall fountain here. This one actually reminds me of the Black Cat one that I did not too long ago. I think it was called 100-foot fountain or something, even though it didn't really go 100 feet in the air. But this is Lava Lamp by ShowTime Fireworks. It's decently sized, not very heavy, but it's decently sized. No product description, performance description anywhere. There's a QR code there if you want to scan that for the official video. So yeah, ShowTime Fireworks, Lava Lamp. So this one I actually picked up at Davy Fireworks when I went to go pick up a few things for New Year's, and they didn't have two of the same fountains that I originally wanted, which was the I don't even remember what it was called, but it's similar. So I picked this one up for a demo, and essentially what this fountain is, it's probably going to be one of those fountains that have those little jelly bean effects where it kind of just spews out the stars instead of shooting them up. Probably one of the most interesting effects in fountains by far. So I figured I'd do a demo on this and see how it goes. And this right here, this I'm actually going to be using for the next two videos. This is a Alpha firing system by, I don't even know what that says. Something right there. Trying to focus the camera. There it is. I'm assuming that's the brand that made this or something, but yeah, it takes 4 AAA batteries for this little Q thing here. You put the wires into this. That goes in here. It really doesn't matter which side goes where. This is the remote, and this remote takes one of the. It takes one A23 battery. It looks like this. Basically a short AAA battery. And I figured since I bought this, I might test it on something. And I decided to do it on this fountain. And next week's video which will be a smaller firework. It's a Saturn missile battery. Figured I'd try it on that. I'm actually not quite sure if this little piece on here will fit in the fountain itself, but I'm gonna try. If it doesn't work, then I'll just do it by torch. But yeah, this wire goes into the module here. When it sends electrical signal down this wire, that little red piece right there has, I don't know if you can really see it, but there's a little primer or some kind of composition in there that is super sensitive to electricity, and it pops. It sends fire out through there and sets off whatever firework you have connected to. So it's pretty interesting. Normally I would try to find a bigger firing system. I've been wanting to, just so I can do little shows or whatever. But this was the cheapest option that I could go with right now. Just a 1Q. I will eventually get more. I've been thinking about doing some interesting stuff with it. But yeah, I wanted to test this out, see how it works, and I figured maybe just why not try it on this fountain or something. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what this fountain does. All right, I got this set up, got the end put in there. I don't know if this is gonna work, but hopefully I got it set up correctly. I got it armed, and I think I have it paired. So let's go ahead and see. There's a little bit of snow here. Let's see if this works. Yeah, I knew it wouldn't work. That's unfortunate. Yeah, I probably should have just put it on top of the fuse or something. I was trying to get it to go instantly, but yeah, these are unfortunately. Actually, I think this one was a. I can't even tell if it. Yeah, these are one-time use, unfortunately. So, well, I guess it's going back to the old way, using a torch. All right, let's try this again. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, these are really cool. Very nice. How many tubes was in that thing? 5? That definitely feels like there was more than 5 in there. Yeah, that thing lasted a while. That was pretty good. Look at all the mess it's made. Look at that. Very nice. How many tubes was in that thing? I think that lasted longer than the one that I did on New Year's. That was pretty good. It's warm. Yeah, that was 5 tubes. I don't know why, I just felt like there was 6 or 7 or something in there. That was Lava Lamp by ShowTime Fireworks. Very nice little fountain. It's quiet too, so if you live in a neighborhood that doesn't like loud stuff, you can definitely do this for like a birthday or something. Very nice. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.